What's up, guys? The UGREEN company has unveiled its new MagFlow lineup of charging devices, which includes a magnetic power bank, magnetic wireless charger, wireless pad, car charger, etc. I have 4 devices from this lineup, and we will test them all in this video. The power bank is probably the most interesting thing here, because it is the first wireless power bank with Qi2.2 certification. It has a battery capacity of 10,000 mAh, 25 watts wireless charging, 30 watts USB-C charging, real-time display, and built-in USB-C cable. In fact, all devices in MagFlow lineup have the latest Qi2.2 certification. The main feature of the latest version is support for 25 watts wireless charging, while the previous Qi2 version only supported 15 watts. By the way, these devices are primarily designed for Apple products, namely iPhone 12 and newer models, as well as Apple Watch and AirPods. However, you can also use them with Android devices that support wireless charging. Okay, let's unbox the power bank and chargers, look at their design, and then we will check their charging speed. Since I have 4 products from UGREEN and they are sold separately, they arrive in separate boxes. However, they are all from the MagFlow lineup, and their packaging design is the same. As I said before, they all are Qi2.2 certified and support 25 watts wireless charging. There are also product specifications on the back of each box. First, let's unbox the box with the power bank. So here we have a power bank with a sticker on the wireless charging area. We should remove it before using the power bank. There are a user manual and other documentation in the box. Although the power bank has a built-in cable, it has a separate USB-C cable. That's it. The next product that I want to unbox is a 3-in-1 wireless charger. It is made in the same color and design as a power bank. As I understand it, all devices in the MagFlow lineup are made in the same color. The UGREEN MagFlow 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger comes with a 45 watts power adapter, USB-C cable, and user manual. I also have a 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. It is also foldable and portable as a previous charger, but you can use it to charge your smartphone and earbuds. It doesn't come with a power adapter, but it has USB cable and a user manual. The last new product from UGREEN that I have is a wireless charging pad. You can use it to charge only one device, such as an iPhone or AirPods. The charger has a long, high-quality built-in cable. The package also includes a user manual and other documentation. It is almost a complete lineup of UGREEN MagFlow. The only things I don't have are these 2 3-in-1 wireless chargers and this car charger. Now let's take a closer look at the charging devices and start with the power bank again. This is not the first wireless power bank, and we have even tested several on our channel, Tech Brothers, including the Anker MagGo power bank. However, the UGREEN MagFlow wireless power bank is the first one with the latest Qi2.2 certification and 25 watts wireless charging support. In addition, it is almost half the price of Anker power bank. Getting back to the design, first I really like this color. It is something between blue and gray, right? To be honest, I don't know what this color is called. The frame of the power bank looks like metal because it shines, but it is actually plastic. Its entire body is made of plastic. The front panel with the wireless charging area is rubberized to gently attach your smartphone. At the bottom, there is a USB-C charging port and a power button. There is a screen on the side that only shows the battery level. The power bank has a lanyard, but it is also a charging cable. Yes, you can use it as a carry strap and a charging cable. It looks very sturdy, and the company promises that it will withstand more than 10,000 bends. By the way, the dimensions of the UGREEN MagFlow power bank are 110 by 70 by 20 mm. The weight is 250 grams. Talking about the 3-in-1 wireless charger, it is almost the same size as a power bank. However, it has a very different function. You probably will not carry it around with you everywhere like a power bank, but rather install it and use it in one place. What I mean is that its size and weight are not very important. Like the power bank, the front panel of the UGREEN MagFlow 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger is rubberized. It is also made from the same colors and materials. But when you unfold it, you will see a round wireless pad for smartwatch. It has a wide top panel and a mirrored bottom. Since this is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, it also has a wireless charging pad for earbuds. There is one USB-C port on the side. When it comes to 2-in-1 wireless charger, it is half the size of the 3-in-1 charger, but also twice as thick. Its wireless charging area is also rubberized. This charger unfolds in 2 steps, first like this, and then like that. The stand is made of metal and it looks very sturdy. It doesn't squeak or wobble. In addition, it allows you to position your smartphone at a comfortable angle from 0 to almost 90 degrees, as well as in vertical and horizontal positions. The wireless charging pad for earbuds is located under the main wireless charging area. When your smartphone is charging, you can easily take out or put your earbuds here. By the way, unlike the 3-in-1 wireless charger, this 2-in-1 charger has USB-C in and USB-C out. This means that you can charge the third device from the charger using a cable or smartwatch charging module. Finally, this wireless charging pad is designed to charge only one device at a time, such as a smartphone or earbuds. Like all previous chargers, it has a rubberized front panel. However, it is the only product of all this that is made of metal. It has a durable built-in cable that is 1.5 meters long. In conclusion about the design, I would like to say that I like that all products in this lineup have the same color and design. If you have some of them on your desk, they will look harmonious together. Okay, let's move on to the charging test. So the main feature of the UGREEN MagFlow lineup is Qi2.2 certification and support for 25 watts wireless charging. But the thing is, only the iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 support Qi2.2. Unfortunately, I only have an iPhone 12. It also supports MagSafe wireless charging, but only 15 watts. Let's try charging it from each of these devices and check the maximum wireless charging speed. I should also mention that I will be using the app to test wireless charging speed. I have a power detection tool, but it is only for measuring USB-C input power. So let's start with the power bank. The test takes about 5–10 minutes, depending on the charging speed. After completion, we see that my iPhone 12 charged wirelessly at a maximum power of 12.9 watts. I think that's true, considering that its maximum supported wireless charging speed is 15 watts. I also tested wireless charging on the 3-in-1 charger, 2-in-1 charger, and a charging pad. And they all charged my iPhone at almost 13 watts. So the company claims that the wireless charging speed for the iPhone 15-12 series is 15 watts, which is what I got. If you want a 25 watts wireless charging speed, you need an iPhone 16 or iPhone 17. By the way, when you put your earbuds or smartwatch on the 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 charger, they will charge at maximum power of 5 watts. So I couldn't test the main feature of the UGREEN MagFlow lineup, namely Qi2.2 certification with a maximum wireless charging power of 25 watts, because I don't have an iPhone 16 or iPhone 17. But my iPhone 12 actually charged at almost the maximum wireless charging speed of 15 watts from a power bank, 3-in-1 and 2-in-1 chargers. Overall, I liked UGREEN MagFlow lineup for its attractive design, build quality, and of course, performance. But once again, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that 25 watts wireless charging is only available for the iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 series. If you're interested, check out the UGREEN MagFlow lineup in the description. Thank you for watching. See you soon!